Here are the top 5 reasons why Apple's new entry-level phone is well worth the money. A13 Bionic processor. While Android phone makers saddle their budget handsets with budget CPUs, the iPhone SE packs Apple's A13 Bionic processor, which is the fastest chip you can get inside a phone. The same chip powers iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. In terms of Pro CPU performance, the iPhone SE is up to 2.4 times faster than the original iPhone SE and up to 1.4 times faster than the iPhone 8. The graphics boost is even bigger, with the new iPhone SE having 4 times the GPU performance of the first iPhone SE and double that of the iPhone 8. The iPhone SE also enables you to try all the best new AR apps thanks to its 8-core neural engine. Very good cameras. Although the iPhone SE has only single rear 12 megapixel and front 7 megapixel camera, they too benefit from the A13 Bionic chip. The iPhone SE supports portrait mode with depth control and 6 portrait lighting effects, and Smart HDR helps you intelligently relight recognized subjects. The front camera can pull off portraits as well. Last but not least, you get extended dynamic range when shooting videos with the rear camera output to 40K and 30 frames per second. Add it all up, the iPhone SE could be the best camera phone for those on a budget. Touch ID. As secure as Face ID is, there are lots of people who still prefer the ease and speed of Touch ID. You can power on the screen and unlock the iPhone SE with one touch and use the same sensor for Apple Pay, entering passwords and more. Plus, while Face ID has trouble recognizing you when you wear a mask, which many states are mandating, Touch ID doesn't have that problem. Premium design that's water resistant. Buying a cheap phone typically means opting for a cheap looking chassis, but iPhone SE offers a premium look and feel. It's made of glass and 7000 series aluminum, and aluminum sides are color matched with the back. The iPhone SE is also IP67 water resistant, so it can be submerged for up to 30 minutes. Wireless charging. Here's it, another feature you won't typically find on phones under $400. The iPhone SE supports wireless charging up to 7.5 volts, so you can easily place it on one of the best wireless chargers to start choosing the device. Any charger that supports the QI charger should work. Resale value. My iPad Air was launched roughly 7 years ago. If I want to sell it today, and I would still get a reasonable amount of money for it. But if I had a Galaxy tablet, I doubt anyone would have even be interested in buying. Buying a second-hand iPhone 7 still costs a lot of money. Clearly, Apple devices, especially the iPhone, offer better resale value even after the product gets discontinued. Even a used iPhone 11, which came out last year, can cost over rupees 57,000 depending on the condition. The iPhone 11's current market price is rupees 64,900. One big reason why the iPhone commands higher resale value is the brand value, the promise of regular software updates, and the ability to pair the Apple Watch.